Do you want to create VM using VMware Workstation Pro and Fusion Pro for free? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Broadcom has announced that their flagship products VMware Workstation Pro and Fusion will be available for free. In this video, we will see how you can install and use them without spending any money. Let's get started. How to create VM using VMware Workstation Pro. First of all, we need to download VMware Workstation Pro for free from support.broadcom.com. To do so, you might have to register yourself and create an account. Once done, again, come back to this link and open the download portal. Go to VMware Workstation Pro 17.0 for personal use. Here, we are showing this on a Windows PC. If you are using some other OS, select the respective option. Now you can download the latest version from the list. Next, install the executable file on your system. Then go to the download folder and double-click the executable file you downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions and install it. After installing the VMware Workstation, you can search it out from the Start menu and launch it. You will have the option to choose Use VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. So select it and proceed. To create a virtual machine in VMware Workstation, click on Create a new virtual machine. Then you can pick the typical if you just want to create a basic VM, or custom if you want to make all sorts of advanced changes. On the next page, you can either select Installer Disk Image File, ISO, or I will install the operating system later to create a VM with a blank hard drive. Select the platform and version of the operating system and click Next. Give your VM a name, set a location, and click on Next. Allocate system resources as you would like and click Next. Look at the summary, and if everything checks out, click on Finish. This should create the virtual machine. How to create VM using VMware Fusion Pro. VMware Fusion is the Mac equivalent of VMware Workstation. If you are a Mac user and want to use a flagship virtualization tool for free, go to support.broadcom.com. Once you go to the linked website, click on VMware Fusion 13 Pro for personal use. Select the latest version from the list and then download the tool. After downloading the file, run the installer to install the application on your system. To create a VM using VMware Fusion, open the application. Then click on Create a custom virtual machine. Then, on the next page, select the desired operating system and click on Continue. If you are installing Windows, make sure to give UEFI and then Continue. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.